Hello everyone, welcome to Drishti IAS. The much awaited UPSC CSE 2026 notification is out. So let's take a look at what are the important things that we need to keep in mind before we fill our CSE online form. So first of all, let's discuss when the examination is going to take place. It is going to take place on the 24th of May 2026 and the UPSC has invited applications this time for 933 posts. So we are going to fight for 933 posts this time. Of course, the last date for filling the form and submitting it is 24th of Feb 2026 and you can submit your online application form by 6 p.m. on the 24th of February 2026. Now let's take a quick glance at the application process. So this time, the online application portal of UPSC has introduced 4 modules or 4 cards, out of which the first 3 are common for all UPSC examinations, whereas the 4th module or the 4th card is examination specific. What are the first 3 modules? The first one is account creation. Naturally, you'll have to create your account. The second one is universal registration, about which we are going to read further. And the third one is common application form. Now, these 3 are going to be common for all UPSC examinations. However, the 4th module is going to be examination specific. Now, where are you going to apply? You are going to submit your applications on the website upsconline.nic.in. Once you have registered on the online application portal, a URN, which is the Universal Registration Number, is generated, which is again common for all the examinations. Now, once you fill your form, you have to retain both your application number as well as you have to save the URN, because URN you are going to need for as many exams as you apply for in the UPSC. Please remember that your URN is a once in a lifetime number, meaning that no matter which examination for UPSC you apply for, your URN is going to be unique and it is going to remain static and unchanged. All right. So, and this is of course your URN for any future communication that you might require to do or establish with the Commission. Finally, there are also a couple of things that you need to keep in mind. For example, the UPSC has also provided you with a one-time facility to either update or modify your URN profile or your Universal Registration Number profile. You can update it, you can make changes to it, but you can do so only once. Further, an option of live photo capture is also available for your common application form, meaning that you are, as per the norm, required to upload your photograph and your signature while filling the application form, but at the same time you have to submit a photograph in real time. The photograph is another photograph which is going to be a live photograph is also going to captured. Another important thing to keep in mind is that of the face authentication that is going to be conducted at the venue which was talked about earlier. So these are the few things that you are supposed to know, and of course you have to go through the form in detail before making the step to fill the application form. And for your success in UPSC Prelims, especially Drishti IAS has brought to you specifically tailored course for your Prelims examination. For example, this amazing IAS Prelims online course for 2026, which includes both GS and CSAT. Now, this course is going to be streamed live online from the studio and the course begins on 11th of February. So, without further ado, please look at the online course and purchase it. It will give you 500 plus hours of classes and of course, the validity is 24 months. It also provides the facility for you to view these classes as many times as you want during the course validity. The course is present in English and the course is available for 13,499 rupees. So please go ahead and check this course out. Then of course we have another course which is particularly GS Paper 2 course, and this course is going to be made live from the Karol Bagh Center. The batches have already begun recently from the 2nd of February. So this is your chance to get yourselves enrolled. The validity is 12 months and you can view the classes as many times as you want within these 12 months of validity. The course is available at a very moderate price of 4,500 rupees. So without further ado, kindly go and purchase this course. We have another course which is GS Paper 1. That was of course the CSAT course. This is Paper 1 course. The classes have begun from the 29th of January and this course is again being brought to you live online, and of course it is for a price of 5,500 rupees. As usual, the validity is 12 months and you can view it n number of times during the validity of the course. And finally, we have the test series which has commenced from the 25th of January, consists of a total of 34 tests, 17 tests of GS and CSAT each. The course validity is 12 months and the language is in English. Finally, the test series is available for rupees 5,499. So please hurry up and get yourselves enrolled in all of these courses because these courses are extremely crucial for your UPSC journey. Now, if you want any further information, you may please check out the link in the description, or you may call 87501 for further details. Also, if you want any counseling related to UPSC of any kind, kindly find the link of the counseling form in the description. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.